AI can now write scripts, edit videos, and even talk in your voice. But here's the big question, can it actually replace YouTube creators like us? Let's find out. Hey everyone, I'm Saima, and welcome back to Future Tech Diaries. So, first, what can AI already do? Honestly, almost everything. You want a video idea? ChatGPT can give you 10 in seconds. Need a thumbnail? Being image creator or Leonard AI can design one for you. Want to make a full video from text? Tools like Pika Labs or Runway ML can do that for you. There's even ElevenLabs. It can clone your voice so perfectly that no one can tell you it's not you. So, technically, AI can write the script, record the voice, generate the visuals, and even edit the whole thing. It sounds crazy, right? Like AI could become the next YouTuber itself. But here's the truth, AI might be smart, but it's not human. It does not have feelings, personality, or creativity the way we do. AI can copy a style, but it can't create emotions. Think about your favorite YouTuber like Mr. Beast, Dream, or maybe your favorite vlogger. You like them because of their energy, humor, and the way they connect with you. That's something AI just can't fake. If you tell AI to make a funny video, it might try, but it does not understand why something is funny. It just predicts what words usually come next. So, for now, AI can help creators, but it can't replace the heart behind content. So, what's next? Will AI take over completely? I don't think so, but what's really going to happen is creators who use AI will go way ahead of others. Imagine you writing faster, editing quicker, and generating cool visuals, all with the help of AI tools. That's the future. AI will be our assistant, not our enemy. Will tell, we will tell it what to do, and will make the process faster and easier. So the best creator won't be replaced by AI. They will work with AI. So, can AI replace YouTubers? Not yet, because creativity, storytelling, and emotion, that's something only humans have. But the ones who use AI, they are going to be the future of YouTube. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more Future Tech Diaries. And tell me in the comments, do you think AI will ever replace human creators? See you in the next video.